Okay, so I think you remember earlier when I was telling you that we were going to have to strip all the rock out of the bottom of the creek. And guess what? We have stripped all the rock out of the bottom of the concrete. And I found some rock I like better. I think Jana likes it better. The pup likes it better. This is Indiana river rock. The stuff that we're using in the path up here, that is Indiana egg rock. So what we love about the Indiana egg rock is when it rains and gets wet, it has a lot of brilliant color in it. Well, since we're gonna have a creek here, why not bring that color into the creek? So we pulled all the other stuff out. We had a lot of silt and debris before the asphalt came in. So we're gonna basically clean off all the rocks that we pulled out. We're still gonna mix some of those. That was a thin stack and some medium stack. We're gonna kind of put those around the edges and mix it kind of back in with the Indiana river rock. So that's what we're doing now. Hang tight because we are opening this creek soon. To fill in a lot of the voids where the water's going, and we're going to use pea gravel in a lot of places, but towards the edges we're going to put waterfall foam in, and it's black, so it kind of hides. It's got a little bit higher UV resistance, but anyway, this stuff is expensive, and we're going to use it kind of throughout the edges of the creek, just so when the water goes, it kind of acts as a dam and diverts the water where we want it to go. So here we go. Well, today is a very, very cool day, and I'm very excited because my buddy David Woods is back here. And guess what? The creek is running. So now we got a lot of little tweaks we have to do, but holy cow, look at that waterfall. All right, guys, so as you may remember, we have the lower falls, but we also have an upper falls. So we're gonna cut this thing on real quick, and we're gonna see what that does. Is it covered up with rocks or something? Crushed or? It's flowing. Is it? Something's going on because it's got too much head pressure. All right, guys, so we got the waterfall running. I'm very happy. It's a little cloudy right now. Some of the rocks we put in have the kind of silt and dust on it from the manufacturer. So anyway, we're really happy about that. not really thrilled with the upper waterfall, but it's not big. I could make it like come over, but I'd have to upgrade the pump, do a heavier pump. I don't think I want a heavier pump, and I kind of like the way it is. So I think my next thing, I may do some landscaping in that area to make it look like maybe it was a dry creek bed that, you know, now vegetation's kind of taking it back to nature. So I'm gonna have to show you guys when this thing gets cleaned out so you can actually see the rocks that we put in. I'm gonna jump in this now and step over the waterfall. So a couple things that we're gonna do. Let me see if I can show you. So of course we shocked it. We put some chlorine in it. It'll take probably 24 to 48 hours to kind of clean it up, but we got to work the rocks here, and we got to make sure that we get the waterfall the way we want it by stacking rocks, diverting it, maybe chipping away the face a little bit on that. But this is a little deeper area right here, as you can see, and it does look a little cloudy right now, but I'll make sure to come back when it is clear so you can see it, because the rocks in this area are very vibrant and decorative. It's an Indiana stone, and then we also got a smaller, it's called a calico stone. The calico stone's more of a polished stone. The Indiana, not so polished, but they have the same coloring. And the reason why we did the calico down here is because this is actually meant for us to kind of wade, not necessarily wade in, but we're going to be stepping on this area. We have a built-in seat into the boulder here, so we can kick back, sit down, put our feet in the water. Because it's chlorinated, I'm not worried about any of the bacteria. The stuff that we're putting in kills all the bacteria and everything. So it's just a place to kind of chill out, cool off, and not have to worry too much. So next time you see me, this will be cleared out. We'll have maybe a little bit of rock work on the waterfall, but we got it running, and that's the main thing. Thank you to David Woods.
Right now the creek is still cloudy, but it'll clear up in time. As you can see, the creek is completely cleared up. Now, owning and building a creek like this is no joke. It takes a lot of work. We've had to move and reposition a lot of stones. In doing so, I caused water to escape out of the liner, which caused the holding tank to lose water. So it's been an adventure trying to get it just right and have it perfect. But Jana and I, we love it. Even pulling the leaves out is therapeutic. Most of the time what we do is just chill out, enjoy it, and just take the view in. We hope you enjoy it too.